by step. If you're still currently logged into Roblox, you'll need to go and sign out. In order to do that, go to the bottom right of Roblox and you can go and find the More button. Then on this page, scroll all the way down and you're going to find the option for log out at the bottom. You can then tap there and you can go and confirm your decision. You've now successfully logged out. You may be concerned right now because you can't go and access your Roblox account and be able to go and play on it again. But don't worry, we'll guide you through the steps you can take in order to go and recover it. So make sure it's 4 videos, you know exactly what to go and do. So first of all, you need to go down and press sign in like so. It's going to go and ask you for your username, email or phone number. So go and type one of these in. For me, I'll go and type in my username. So I'll do that now. Then what you can do is you can go and press next. And now it's going to ask me for my password, which of course is what I've forgotten. So at the bottom here, you'll go and see the option for forgot your password. So you can go and tap there. And now we can go and start the recovery process. What you can do here is enter in the email, or you can use the phone number instead that's linked and connected to your account. You would have done this when you first set it up or perhaps later on. So we can tap on email and then what we can do is go and type that in, or you can use your phone instead. I've typed in my email and I've now pressed next. Now what's going to happen is a code's been sent to that email. So what I'm going to do here is come out of Roblox. We can just go and search for it. I had a notification there and here it is. So now I can go and see the code. I've now entered it in. And now as you can see, I can go and enter in a new password and go and confirm it as well. So let's go and do that. I'll go and type it in. When you're ready, you can then press update password. It'll need to be different from your last one and that's it. Now what you can do is go and use that password you just set to go and log in. So let me go and type it in. We can then press next, and now we've gone and reset the password and we've recovered our account. If you found this video useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again in the future with more useful guides like this.